tummies. I need some Vaseline. I'm burnt. I'm burnt all over. Oh, Skippy.
What did Skippy do?
He spilled the boiling water all over me. He spilled boiling water all over me.
How did he do that?
He was jumping on my leg like he always does.
Oh.
He was jumping on me, and it's all over me now, and I need some Vaseline.
Are you gonna walk to the store to get some Vaseline?
No, Tommy. Tommy Nolan has it. Oh, give me a kiss, Tommy. Oh, Tommy, quick, bring some Vaseline. Rub it all over my body. Oh, over here, help me. Help me, do you know CPR? Do you know CPR, Tommy?